My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much. If you have chosen to come back again, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it. Now, either way, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be reviewing the new I Am Magic Juvia's Place Foundation. So, come on in, have a seat. I promise you, we won't be before you long. But we're just going to try this foundation out. I'm going to let you know my thoughts on it in the end, and the shade, the price point, all of those good things. So if you would like to see how this look was created using this foundation and these Juvia's Place palettes, then keep watching. I'm going to just go ahead and dive right into our review. And what we'll be reviewing today is the new Juvia's Place I Am Magic Foundation. Okay, and I am in the shade Acra, and that is 330. Okay, it does come in this tube, nice packaging. Now, the box. Let's just talk about the box. Yet another piece from Juvia's Place that I will have to hold on to because the artwork is amazing. So, let's just go ahead and get started. I am going to use a soft foundation brush. I love this brush. So, only because I was not able to get the Juvia's Place brush. Okay, I used a half a squeeze here, and I've already primed my face with the NYX primer oil because I did hear that this particular foundation was a little drying. The only things that you will see in this video will be Juvia's Place items, okay? Go ahead in with the eyeshadow, Juvia's Place, y'all. And we're going to use the Warrior palette and the Saharan too. I might use the Afrique as well, but as it stands right now, it's just going to be these two. I have something in mind that I want, so let's just see how it rolls from here. With our Luxy Fluffy tapered brush, we're going in with this shade right here out of the Saharan palette. is our final look. Now let's just talk about this for a minute. I'm absolutely loving this foundation. Okay, I have an issue where, first of all, it's very warm in here, so I have the fans blowing in addition to, you know, the air being on because the light is really, you know, kind of hot, and so because of the fan, it makes my eyes water. Now here, I'm coming in close so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, yes, my nose is sweating. I'm telling y'all, it is warm in here. Okay. But now, just like I dotted the sweat from around my nose, when my eyes water, I have to stop what I'm doing so that I can pat the water away. Not one time did I have to reapply this foundation. Not once. So yes, I'm loving this. Now, the eye look, the blush, and the highlight are from these 3 palettes. Also, Juvia's Place. Okay. I absolutely love this. I did not use a whole lot, but I still think I may have used a little too much. And the reason that I'm saying that is because my brush, even if I were to pull it out right now and touch it, it's still just a little, I don't want to do it because I don't want to mess up my my look, but it's still a little damp. Okay, and this is time lapsed, of course, so this look is finished in about 22 minutes. And so for the brush to still be a little damp, I may have used too much. So I will back up the next time and use a half a squeeze first, and then if I need more, add to it. But this feels amazing. It's lightweight. It does not feel like I have makeup on my face. And even in addition to that, it doesn't look like I have makeup on my face. It just looks like my good skin is great skin, or that I actually have good skin. So I definitely love the way this look came out. Once again, the shade that I have is Acra 330, but you may say Juvia's Place is not for you, but I do want to let you know, at a price point of $20, this is easily one of the better foundations. Okay, just to give you some shade matches, my high-end Marc Jacobs, this is Cocoa Deep. That's my shade. My Derma blend is 72 Neutral. My LA Colors Matte, this is my everyday. This one is in Cappuccino. And my Super Stay, this one is in 356. So just so you kind of get a feel for the color. And even I just did a review on this one. I'll link it above in the iCards. This one is Hazelnut. This is the new Believe Beauty from Dollar General. This one was just introduced to the market early last month in May. So just to kind of give you, you know, some color ranges for my foundation color. So I do hope that you have enjoyed this video on today. Hopefully I've answered any questions that you may have had. If I missed anything, by all means, go ahead and leave me a comment below and I'll get back to you rather quickly, okay? Now, please remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.